Okay. Well, here's the thing. Any product. It's a 2-point product.
B, you taping?
Yeah.
You know that?
It's 2 points. Today until the end of the product.
Mr. DeVoe, a couple words.
Man, I can only tell you 2 things. Get more.
All right.
So right now, we just get warmed up, baby. Mark my words, January 21st, son, I'll be the only Pepsi vice president with freckles, man, in the company century. Mark my words on that right now.
All right.
2 Bentleys.
Absolutely. Appreciate your time.
Yes, indeed.
I'm waiting to see you.
No, it's all on one account?
Double Bentley drivers, keep that in mind.
Brian, we need to make sure this is on YouTube, MySpace,
Yes.
all over the internet, so all the non-believers to know we're not just over here talking hot air, we're making some things happen.
Absolutely.
If you're serious about making some money, you need to come talk to us. We're
Yes,
not playing around over here. We played around for a decade. Now it's time for us to get busy and get some serious money going, and everybody can get a piece of this. So I mean, this was just one of the perks that came with it. This was one of the perks that came
Zoom
with
in on that, baby. Stick that ass to that sunlight, hit that a little bit.
Some of the other perks that came with it.
Let me hit that check. Let me hit that check. If we beam this up on MySpace, folks gonna have to be stupid not to get in.
I'm a little low on the battery.
Yeah, let's show them that check.
We're gonna do it till it
Show them
goes
that
out.
check.
We're going to cover the address just so folks don't be stopping.
We'll cover that.
But
We'll look at the numbers. All right, there we go. There's
You know
the
what it
numbers
is.
right there.
Show that.
You know what
All
it
right.
is. Network
That's
marketing,
beautiful.
baby.
That's
It's only an opportunity if you can actually make it
All
happen.
right.
It's
Appreciate
actually
your time,
happening
Mr. Carter, and appreciate
We
your
hit the
mentorship.
We won the Super Bowl, and we got many more games to play.
Yes, sir.
All right.
We're looking for some
Network
more
marketing,
recruits,
baby.
some more people.
Rich is nothing. You know what? America's not made for poor people right now.